Okay, first attempt to start this bike then. Been restoring it for 8 years, but I've got to the stage now where I think I can go for an engine start, although obviously it's not road ready. So yeah, started by putting some engine oil in. Just bought some brand new Millers. Used to be on Morris, can't afford Morris anymore. So I'm going to try and put 2 litres into the oil tank. That's the starting point anyway. Right, so I've taken the spark plug out. I want to prime this with as many kicks as I can on the kickstart. Just in the attempt to try and get the oil to get around the engine before I go for an attempt at start. I've rigged up a little water bottle here. I'm just going to put some petrol in a minute, and then we'll see what happens. Alright, I'll put the spark plug back in now. I'm going to add a little bit of fuel and then we will go for a start. However, I've noticed a leak on my feed pipe from the oil tank, so that needs to be resoldered. It wasn't me, it was just how the bike came. But I think I can still go for a start. Right, retard the ignition. I have no idea how much to retard it. And then the choke lever. Giving it about half choke. Did a little bit of a tickle there and it's wet straight away, so yeah, not sure about that. Right, let's try and find top dead centre. Well, I think that's compression, so pushing it down to the bottom of its stroke like that. Decompression lever back out, kickstart back out, and go for a kick. Okay, nothing. Okay, I think that's compression to the top, decompression lever in, down to the bottom, back up. Oh. Alright, well, hasn't worked, but I'm going to try and give it a little bit of throttle because I don't know where the slide needs to be. So let's see what happens. So, throttle slack is there, just open is there. Right, throttle slack there, open it a tiny bit. Well, that seemed to have worked a little bit. slack, give it a little bit.